What's up, guys? I'm Koji, and I'm sitting in the woods and trying to send a message to somebody who needs it. I'm here to help you elevate your life, and if you're in love, I'm here to help you. So today, I will talk about the body, importance of body. Our body is a gift from God. It's a well-designed biomechanical machine. It's a machine. It works as a vehicle to experience this life for your spirit. So your spirit, you are the spiritual creature and a spiritual being. You should be very happy before you born into this life on earth, and you should be very happy you will experience this life with this enormously beautiful vehicle. And our job here on earth is to maintain this body as much as possible, as in a very best condition. So you need to maintain it daily. You need to work out daily. You're not allowed to miss one day. If you miss one day, you're gonna lose your ability. This vehicle, your body, will lose some kind of ability if you miss one day, just one day. So make sure you maintain this body in the best condition as much as possible as you can. So for example, everything starts from this body, because this body is interesting, and it affects your mind. The mind is not you. You are the spirit, and the spirit have a control over your body and your mind, and the spirit is the highest of you. And then you have a control over your body, but you give up to control your body, and body will get distracted, and with distracted body, your mind works like shit. It just works like a shit. If your body is shit, and your mind will be shit. So you gotta maintain your body and to have a right mind. So to have a right mind, you gotta maintain your body every day and work out every day. And to get a workout, there's one important point. You want to get to the limit of your workout. For example, you're doing a push-up, and let's say you can do 20 reps. And 20 reps is the current ability of your vehicle. And if you can do 20, you want to try 25, because you will hit to some kind of suffering area of the limit of your body's ability. And you will need to hit that limit every day. Then after a little while, you hit in the 25, and then the 25 will be your average. It's normal for you, and then it's not gonna be a limit for you anymore. Then you want to do 30, and 30, 35, 40, 50, just like that, and so on and so on and so on. And you're gonna hit that limit every day. That's how you maintain your body, how you try to keep it in the best condition. So that's one thing I want to tell you today. And there's something else I want to tell you. And the body is really a temple of your spirit, and so you want to have it a very good condition. And with a good condition, you can thrive, you can strive, you can get up every time you fall. Even if you are in very low state, you wanna get up every time when you fall. And in order to do that, you're gonna build a body to keep your mind straight. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I want to say today. And also, it needs time. It needs time. It's not gonna be instant. If you for let's say you do it for a week or a month, it's not gonna change anything, obviously, but it changes. It changes a little by little, but you will notice the change. But it's accumulation of a long time, okay? And then you're gonna do it every day and forever, as long as you live. So it's a long way marathon, okay? It's not a sprint, it's a marathon to get life. You got a life on this earth, and you're gonna have a healthy body. When you stand in front of a mirror, and do you love your body? Do you love it? Do you have a big belly? Do you have out of shape body? The arms or legs. Are those look healthy? You want to make it look healthy. And if you stand in front of a mirror and take off a shirt and look at it, and you love it, if you don't, you need a workout. That's simple, okay? And you start a workout, and it's been okay. So let's say 3 months in a row, you will see changes. You definitely will see the changes. If you hit the limit every day, you're definitely gonna see it. In 3 months, in 6 months, and then you start to love your body in front of a mirror. Then that's start of your journey also. You can change anything. You can love yourself, and then you can love others. You can give love for others. So you gotta have a body that you can love. If you are out of shape, get in shape. Honestly, you are a beautiful being. God made us so beautiful. For real. As long as you maintain it properly, this body looks so beautiful. And you are beautiful also. See, my arms sores, holding your arms for, some certain amount of time, and even if this is not that heavy, but it's getting tired. Well, anyway, you are a spiritual being, You are a spirit. Okay? Before the body, before the mind, you are a spirit. And you are the spirit that got a beautiful body. So be beautiful. Okay? This is the message today. And better habits for better life. I wish your dream life come true. And I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Peace.